Nĩngatho cia mwanya Kiheo TV gũteithia thayũ hwainĩ waku nĩ mũhoreru njĩtagwo Wairimu Wanjiru gũtarĩ na njĩra ciĩko etagwo na umi wa mathu Kiheo Kabiru gũteithia thayũ na hwainĩ waku nĩ mũhoreru nĩ mathaa mega magukorwo tũgĩkũnengereria na gũkũihũrĩra marĩa matinda makĩhanĩka kĩondo gitũ kĩa mohoro ĩkĩihũrĩte ũũ atĩ tũrĩ tayari gũkorwo tũgĩkũihũrĩra na tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ kambĩini cia gĩturwa kĩa mũmbunge wa Isiolo ya mũhuro ithiĩte na mbere na kũnyita thĩng'a rĩrĩ ithenya rĩrĩ rĩraihũrio kumana na gĩkuũ kĩa mũmbunge Mohamed Tubi Bidu ũrĩa wakuire akĩamũkĩra ũrigiti thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi na mũirĩtu wa ũcio gwĩtwo Tubi onake nĩ arahũranĩra gĩturwa kĩu.
Sisi kama Genzi tumedhulumiwa miaka mingi, kila decision inatoka kwa wazee, haipitii mume yetu, haipitii dada yetu, haitupitii sisi kama Genzi. Watu wanakaa kwa kikao, wanaamua, wanatuletea sisi. Nataka kueleza wale wazee wetu, tunawaheshimu sana baba, tunawaheshimu sana. Tafadhali sana, leo hii msikize kilio ya mama, msikize kilio ya vijana kwamba bila Mohamed Tubi atakuwa mbunge wa Isiolo South kutoka next week tutakaa hapa, hakuna mahali bila ataenda.
Tukiuma mwena ũcio President William Ruto nĩ ugĩte itanya rĩake ta president nĩ gũkuua matũra mothe ma bũrũri wa Kenya na kũmakinyia ũthii-inĩ wa nambere na njĩra ya ũigananu akĩaria arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Garissa hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria mũbango wa Nyota akiugĩte nĩ akĩmenereirie mũng'ethanĩro kumana na ũrĩa maraingĩrĩra thirikari akiuga mũndũ nĩ agakorwo akĩyumĩria mwaka wa 2027 onanie ũthii ũrĩa arehete bũrũri-inĩ akinyitwo mbaru ni munini wake niwe gwĩtwo Kithure Kindiki
na naibu wake Profesa Kithure Kindiki. Karibu sana Your Excellency. DJ twende DJ. Ila mtu ndio rais, ndio Your Excellency. DJ.
Nimesikia watu wengine wengi wanajaribu kunipatia mawaidha, sijui rais hangeenda, sijui rais angefanya kazi ingine. Wewe fanya hiyo kazi ingine, mimi nakuja kufanya ya kazi ya hawa vijana.
Na hii program sio program ya siasa. This is not a political program. Wakati umeenda kuapply kwa simu, haukuulizwa chama chako cha kisiasa, haukuulizwa kabila yako, haukuulizwa dini yako. Bora huwe kijana Mkenya kati ya ile miaka ambayo program ina target 18 to 29. You are a Kenyan citizen. It doesn't matter your political affiliation, it doesn't matter your religion, it doesn't matter your ethnicity. As long as a Kenyan, you are a beneficiary of the empowerment program under Nyota.
The footprints of President Ruto's development in northern Kenya is visible as day and night. The difference is sisi tutasimama na wewe hata kama hujajenga barabara, hata kama hujatupatia chochote, by bringing us our dignity, by making us to be equal like other Kenyans.
na muhuraniri wa gĩturwa kĩa ũmbunge gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Imwe niwe Daniel Kinyua nĩkĩtie makaya make akĩũria thirikari kũgũithia gharama ya mũtũrĩre kuona atĩ aciari aingĩ nĩ mararemwo nĩ kũrĩhĩra ciana ciao nginya bithi kumana na ũkĩa. Ningĩ orĩte thirikari kũgũithia gharama ya imwe cia indo cia bata cia kũhũthĩka nĩ mũingĩ.
Miaka iliyopita hatujawahi, kulikuwa tu hata akisalia moja wawili watatu hapo wanalipiwa na bursaries zilikuwa zinatosha, lakini sasa ni kila mtu hata ukiwalipia na basari ile ambayo inapeana na government, ile ingine inapeana basari zote haziwezi kukidhi hiyo mahitaji. So ni kama elimu ime collapse, ni kama elimu imeanguka, kila mtu hawezi. Tuliachiwa hii elimu ikiwa ya bure, lakini unaona mpaka saa hii hata primary school mzazi kushona sare ya kupeleka mtoto shule ni shida. Mbona tumefikia hapo ya kwamba hata mzazi hawezi shona ama hawezi nunua sare ya kupeleka mtoto shule? Sasa kama ameshindwa kupeleka mtoto kununua sare, na je, hayo mahitaji mengine itawezekana namna gani? Kuna school fees, kuna hizo remedies, all that. If a parent cannot buy the school uniform, what else can this parent afford? Mbona tumefika hapo? Na serikali haisimami isemi tuambie sisi kama serikali tumelipa, competition tumeongeza, hakuna ile fee mlikuwa mnalipa imeteremka. Ndivyo sasa wewe kama mzazi lazima utafute yale mahitaji mengine kama sare na hayo maneno. So ni kumaanisha ya kwamba tumerudi nyuma, hata sijui ni miaka gani hadi tumerudi nyuma, hatujawahi kuwa hapa.
Na tugitigana icio ciĩgiĩ garama ya mũtũrĩre kaunti ya Embu nĩrugũrĩtie waki wa barabara. Mũbango ũrĩa ũkũhũthĩra mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 140 na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa waki wa barabara mwena ũcio nĩwe Francis Diga akiugĩte atĩ marenda kaunti ĩno kwambatĩrio ikĩro kana gĩkĩro kĩngĩ, kuona kũrĩ na barabara njega ona nginya biacara nĩ igũkorwo ikĩgacĩra.
What we are saying is that improvement of infrastructure will really be able to promote the economic growth of each and every urban area. So we are very focused to improve infrastructure, road and all that, so that we can be able to ensure that we are creating more jobs. We are also making sure that we have market access and also be in the space of ensuring that our towns looks better. Why are we doing this? This is one of the promises that we had done to the people of Embu County, and we are really focused to ensure that we deliver the promises that we have been. So it's expectations of the people that we are working together with them, and what is very critical as we implement these programs, we are going to ensure that we work together with the community, with also the office of the MCA and also our GDUs and our sub-county admins in this aspect.
Ningependa tu nishukuru na niombe pia wakaaji, na nikianza na contractor kwamba wafanyikazi ambao watafanya kazi katika hizi barabara wawe ni vijana wa Kiremare, kwa sababu hizi nafasi za kazi lazima ziweze kusaidia watu ambao wanafanya kazi katika area hiyo, kwa sababu kila mahali kazi inafanywa ni vizuri hiyo community iweze kusaidika. Nafikiri hili ni jambo la kwanza. Jambo la pili pia ni kuomba wafanyabiashara wavumilie kidogo, kwa sababu watakuwa na little inconvenience, lakini tumekubaliana pia na contractor, the contract is lasting for 6 months, but tumekubaliana na contractor kwamba akiweza kumaliza hii kazi na miezi 2, akizipea priority specifically hii barabara ambayo iko na mabiashara za watu, kwa sababu ni biashara zitafungwa, akizipea priority aweze kumaliza na miezi 2 itakuwa ni vizuri zaidi.
Ngatho hau twakinya njĩtĩkĩria tuko tũgĩkĩria oro hanini tũracokereria, ndũgetĩkĩre ũgĩbucia nĩ tũgũcokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na wĩigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving rutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari kui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM, kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ni wiharirie kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma ndugathinike ringi riu kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku. Tuthomithagia kothi tiganite ta journalism and media studies nigukia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy ni maundu mege maingi no thaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare caregiving na makiria. Ni turi na thiomi cia nanja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucerere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kurigania na TRM. No tuhurire thimu namba kifugo mugwanja kifugo kifugo mugwanja mweni 0701 300 071 kana no tucerere rurenda-ini rwitu ni jewel.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV utangimenya kuria umite ndungimenya kuria werekeire na nikio nie Wangari wa Kimani ndikurehagira cia tene the wa Kiheo TV ndekeje kumenya wega indo yuaga na ndoceragiro hihi uri weyuria matura matiganite metirwo guoniki wa muhiano itura ria Gathara-ini Githurai Ting'ang'a Kirigiti gacagati ka maingi hihi ni uri weyuria uria maundu mekikaga na uria mekagwo na hau kabere nyitanagira na nie Wangari wa Kimani thiini wa tabarira ya nyimbo cia gatene tugakorwo tukirunga meri matatu tukiohegania orundu mwe njamuka na nyimbo cia gatene donete tawariganirwo ati Ngai ni wanyombire nagwo mwisho wa mundu nikiambira kungai niria ni ndanyalirikite ngorwo ni thayo na gikeno oriri ndoritwo ni hinya Jehova wioke mwiyoko.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio iria ikurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa Githima rucini thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitane na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto theinie wa tabarira ya riũa rĩa wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaigira kiberereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithira KW mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kukwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya ikumbi ria Kigosho. Thaburi 122 nĩakenire rĩrĩa manjĩrire atĩrĩ nĩtũthiĩ nyũmba-inĩ ya Jehova. O muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ. Tanagira na ithuĩ Kiheo TV tũgĩkũrehera igongona rĩa kiumia kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Jesus Wina Ministry Roysambu Nairobi. Nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Ngai, mahoya.
Tunaomba upako wako na neema yako mahali hapa Bwana Yesu mwana wa Mungu. Tunakuja kinyume na kila kazi ya shetani
kia Ngai na utungata wa Roho Mutheru.
Wacha nikuambie, hapa kuna agano. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. Na nisema leo, yule yote ameingia leo, yule ameingia mwaka huu. Mwaka huu kuna utukufu mpya, kuna nguvu mpya, kuna upako mpya.
Ni o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ o haha ceceni-inĩ ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Come on now. The Bible says that no weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper. If this is your confidence, I want you to dance like you never danced before.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nigatho twarikia gugicokereria ororingi na thukuru wa airitu uria uri gicigo kia umbunge kia Nkuene guku ni kaunti ya Meru ni ugumirwo ni mathina ma wagi wa mbathi ya gukua arutwo ona thengia wao kwirirwo ati ni megukorwo makigurirwo njeru. Kuringana na murutani munene wa thukuru ucio niwe Diana Gitonga ni ati ni kuri motungata ma bata maremagwo gukinyaniria kuona ni marabatara motungata ma uthii.
Your bus is a matter of time, and I promise it will be here. Due to this problem of this mic, I will contribute 1 million shillings to buy more equipment. So the principal see me, I will contribute to 1 million shillings so that this is not repeated.
I want to confirm the promise that our area MP, Honorable Shandrak Mwit, that he fulfilled what he said last week on Friday, that he will give us 1 million to buy instruments, and that was done. He's a good gentleman. He has a very big heart. What he says, he does. This promise came as a result of our instrument misbehaving that day. They broke down. Na mheshimiwa could not take it kindly. He felt that this was not the right thing for our big school like in Kwene Girls. And therefore, to cap that challenge, he came through. Mheshimiwa also promised us to make sure that what was promised by our president, the bus, Ascania, we will land very soon. Probably 3 or so months to come, we will have a school bus. The students, the teachers, the NTS, and the members of the board, and the parents, wherever they are so happy, they are really excited with the support Mheshimiwa is giving this school. And I believe, having been a teacher in this school those many days, that's why he's coming through from Kwene Girls. We are really, really happy. And the students, they have believe and trust in their father who is doing so much for them. And he is also doing the same to the schools in Imenti South.
Na Mwingi wa matura ma Kamburi guku ni wodi-ini agatunga gicigo-ini kia umbuge kia Tharaka ni maikitie ritana gukorwo ati makiririkana kuona kuri na wagi wa mai na ni kumana na guthira kwa mbura nini iria irari kana iria irauraga na hakiri uguo ni mokirire mumbunge wa gicigo kiu ni kwaga gukorwo ati ni mararumbuia uria kwagirire.
Roje tutionaga roje na ndoe na joranga itiabwere na ichumaga tio tutionaga rwiro kunywa tio to matha ithatu ana rona rukathungirwo tutimenya
ajiri age goro wake ndaga roje ndaroka kuya ruki ndaruta tha 5 ndagom na ntimamaga mbwa mtaire njoka ngapampero amburi na kuria ntire ya
itwanya marire tende na ntietie mbojiri athemwe muritwa na tirugiritwa na nguo timbure
ntimamaga rimwe thita gwikinya thaa 10 mbokirwe kaire kurithiria ruje agweto ruje rutiumaga
akarie kamburi twathenie turekona moyo tutimamaga turaraga marateni ura tweterete ruje ruya tuta rwana na rutitwonaga ende tende ruje rutiona ruje rwa kuthamba ru machukuru twekaya twegatamba ni tukathambia rwana 10
kwera muthomi njuki na turetere ruya twenjere inya ivima na mbwa twenjere
nkoromba thirikari ra etwerekirite kinya yugo ndi tutethie
njuki tutwegirwe kake abayoyo tuturero ito ndagweta murume arume tureterwe ruyi atukenjirwa vima tukubua
ari twegwe ni kinya byobo na goro byobo nene beto baba.
Na hau niho tuko tugikira agaturumo mohoro mangi wona cihanda thaa 3 tugucemania ro haha njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutwathi na njira cikoma na umi wa mathu gakwendithĩria wiroreri mwega wa tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩkũrũmĩrĩra.